You built a great course, but you can't be in every session, on every screen, answering every question all at the same time. So lectures wait for your calendar. Questions pile up between sessions. And when a trainee gets stuck with no one to ask, that's usually where they stop. Meet Vocaliv's AI Coach, an intelligent voice-based training assistant trained on your own course content. It delivers your lectures and answers your trainees' queries in real time. Trainees don't just read, they listen. And when something's unclear, they simply ask out loud. The AI Coach answers back immediately in natural speech.
Great question, student. Let's unpack malware attacks in detail. So, the term malware is short for malicious software.
It delivers every lecture in a natural voice. Answer questions in real time anytime they're asked. Every response comes only from your course content, so every learner gets the same accurate, consistent support. Your trainers stop repeating themselves and focus on what only they can do. And your training scales, reaching more learners with the same consistent support every time. Turn your course into an interactive learning experience with Vocaliv's AI Coach. Deliver lectures, answer questions, scale your training. Try it now.